Is your C drive completely full, slowing down your PC, and you're terrified of losing your files trying to fix it? Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech genius to solve this. In this video, we're showing you how to easily extend your C drive using MiniTool Partition Wizard. If you head over to minitool.com, you'll find this user-friendly disk partition manager. It's specifically designed to optimize your hard drives and get your operating system running smoothly, all wrapped up in a clean, straightforward interface. So how do you actually use it to extend your C drive? It's simple. Once you download and open MiniTool Partition Wizard, you'll see a visual map of your hard drives. You just right-click on your C drive, select the Extend option, and choose where you want to take the free space from, whether that's another partition with extra room or unallocated space on your drive. You slide the bar to decide how much space to add, click Apply, and let the software safely do the heavy lifting. What makes MiniTool stand out is that it's a one-stop solution. Beyond just resizing partitions, the software helps you manage your overall disk health. And if you ever need extra peace of mind, the MiniTool ecosystem also includes Power Data Recovery to help retrieve lost files from internal or external drives, and ShadowMaker, which is their dedicated Windows backup software to keep your data completely safe before you make major system changes. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the interface is incredibly clean, making disk management much less intimidating for everyday users. However, please note that we currently have limited independent user review data in our research context for this specific version. While the software is designed to be highly reliable and straightforward, we always recommend backing up your critical data using a tool like MiniTool ShadowMaker before modifying your system partitions just to be completely safe. Overall, if you're looking for an easy, visual way to clean up your drive clutter and expand your C drive without headaches, MiniTool Partition Wizard is a very practical tool to check out. Head over to minitool.com to explore their disk management and data care utilities today. If this tutorial helped you free up some much-needed space, please hit that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.